Good morning, students. Here I am Mrs. Nikita McCowan presenting to you the new story of Class 3 NCERT course subject English. Our story name is The Enormous Turnip. Let's start our story. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. एक गांव था, उसमें एक बूढ़ा आदमी था. उसने टर्निप के सीड्स अपने खेत में बोए थे. बूढ़ा आदमी मीन्स उससे बहुत सा बड़ा सा टर्निप का सीड बोया था, तो उसमें से बहुत ही बड़ा सा टर्निप ग्रो हुआ था. एज यू नो दैट वी आर ईटिंग टर्निप एज वेजिटेबल. अभी वो टर्निप बहुत ही बड़ा हो चुका था. देन द ओल्ड मैन वांटेड टू पुल इट अप. ही ट्राइड बट ही कुड नॉट पुल अप द टर्निप. एन ओल्ड वुमन केम. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. तभी वो बूढ़े आदमी को एक बूढ़ी औरत आती हुई दिखती है और वो उनसे कहते हैं कि आई वॉन्ट टू पुल अप द इनॉर्मस टर्निप. देन दैट ओल्ड वुमन सेड दैट आई विल हेल्प यू. वो ओल्ड वुमन कहती है कि मैं आपको मदद करूँगी. वो दोनों मिलके, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, दे आर ट्राइंग टू पुल आउट द टर्निप बट दे कुड नॉट. देन सडनली अ बॉय केम. एक बच्चा आता है. वो उन्हें कहते हैं कि हमें टर्निप ये बाहर निकालना है. तो वो बच्चा कहता है कि आई विल हेल्प यू. लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. द ओल्ड मैन एंड द ओल्ड वुमन एंड द बॉय पुल्ड एंड पुल्ड, बट दे कुड नॉट पुल अप द इनॉर्मस टर्निप. अ गर्ल केम. वी वॉन्ट टू पुल अप दैट इनॉर्मस टर्निप, सेड द बॉय. I will help you, said the girl. अभी वो तीनों मिलके, you can see in the picture, वो तीनों मिलके, an old man, an old woman and the boy, they were trying to pull up the turnip but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Why they could not pull up the enormous turnip? Because that turnip was enormous. Enormous means very huge, very big. देन अगेन अ गर्ल कमिंग. एक बच्ची आती है और वो सब मिलके उनसे कहते हैं कि हमें ये टर्निप बाहर निकालना है. तो वो गर्ल कहती है कि आई विल हेल्प यू, मैं आपकी मदद करूँगी. देन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द ओल्ड मैन, द ओल्ड वुमन एंड द बॉय एंड द गर्ल पुल्ड एंड पुल्ड. अप केम द इनॉर्मस टर्निप. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl, and they did. Now अभी वो चारों मिलके वो बड़ा सा टर्निप बाहर खींच के निकाल देते हैं और टर्निप बाहर आ जाता है. You can see in the picture the turnip is out from the soil. तभी वो बच्ची, वो औरत और वो छोटा सा बच्चा ओल्ड मैन को कहता है कि हम आपको ये खाने में भी मदद करेंगे और सब में ये मिलके खाते हैं. ये एक पूरी फैमिली है जो मिलके वो सभी ने टर्निप को बाहर निकाला है. नाउ लेट्स गो टू इट्स न्यू वर्ड्स. इनॉर्मस. इनॉर्मस का मतलब मैंने आपको स्टोरी के बीच में ही समझाया है. इट्स वेरी बिग और ह्यूज. टर्निप. Turnip is a vegetable. Old man, you can see बूढ़ा आदमी. Old woman, बूढ़ी औरत. And pulled. Here pulled is past tense form of to pull. To pull means किसी भी चीज को बहुत ही प्रेशर से खींचना. Okay, now let's go students to the question answers. The first question is, what did the old man plant? Again I repeat, what did the old man plant? Our answer is, the old man planted some turnip seeds. Again I repeat our answer, the old man planted some turnip seeds. ओल्ड मैन ने क्या बोया था? अपना आंसर है कि ओल्ड मैन ने सम टर्निप सीड जमीन में बोए थे. यू कैन सी हियर डिड इज यूज्ड इन क्वेश्चन, देन वी हैव टू यूज पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लांट, देन प्लांटेड इन आंसर. द ओल्ड मैन प्लांट, वी हैव टू ऐड ed form, past tense form of verb, and what that the old man planted, the turnip seeds, then your answer will be correct. The old man planted some turnip seeds. Second question is, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Again I would like to repeat, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Our answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull the turnip because it was enormous. बूढ़े आदमी के लिए टर्निप बाहर खींचना क्यों मुसीबत बन गया था? तो अपना जवाब हिंदी में हम समझेंगे कि बूढ़े आदमी के लिए टर्निप को बाहर खींच के निकालना मुसीबत बन गया था, डिफिकल्ट था, क्योंकि वो टर्निप बहुत ही इनॉर्मस था. इनॉर्मस मीन्स वेरी बिग. Why was? Then we have to start our answer from it. I must be capital because it is the first letter of our answer. It was difficult for the old man to pull the turnip. Here why is used, then we have to add because why is used for answer to some reason. What is the reason? Then we have to add because it was enormous. Okay, here our answer will be complete. Question number 3, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Again I would like to repeat, who helped him to pull the enormous turnip? Our answer will be, an old woman, a boy and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. बूढ़े आदमी को, here him used in question, then him is for the old man. बूढ़े आदमी को किसने मदद की इनॉर्मस टर्निप बाहर निकालने के लिए? तो हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी, आपको पता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन आया था? एन ओल्ड वुमन, देन अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल हेल्प हिम टू पुल अप द इनॉर्मस टर्निप. वेन एवर क्वेश्चन इज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हु, then we have to write whatever answer is here first and then after verb and the whole sentence, then your answer will be correct. Next question, question number 4, who ate the enormous turnip? Who ate the enormous turnip? Here ate, and you can see who is here. Ate is the past tense form of to eat. Our answer will be, the old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl ate the enormous turnip. जैसे कि हमने स्टोरी में पढ़ा कि इनॉर्मस टर्निप खाने के लिए सभी ने हेल्प की. तो कौन थे? वो चारों थे, द ओल्ड मैन, द ओल्ड वुमन, द बॉय एंड द गर्ल. नाउ इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, some vegetables you have to write with picture and its name with its picture. What vegetable we can pull out from the earth? Our answer will be potato. As you know that potato must is growing under the ground. Then ginger will be there. Carrot will be there and radish will be there. Now here question number 8. You can see words are given in box and you can see these are opposite words. There is a game in question 7. Some words, there must be two teams, group 1 and group 2, and one will speak a word and the second group will be give the answer for it. We can see here group 1 and group 2. Pull, to pull, खींचना, तो push, धक्का देना. उसका opposite क्या होगा? Pull, push. Black, then opposite must be white. True, then opposite must be false. Right, opposite must be wrong. ऐसे ही हम दूसरे थोड़े से वर्ड्स देखेंगे. Far, near. दूर, नजदीक. Good, bad. Dark, bright. Up, down. Old, new. This way we can write opposite words. In question number 9, we have to write plural forms. One and many. If one will be there, then what we have to do? For many, one will there, then we have to write simple simple spelling of it. And many will be there, then we have to write plural form of the word. You can see here carrot, carrots. S is added to the word. Turnip, then turnips. Onion, onions. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, then tomatoes. There is a rule in English grammar that if last word will be vowel, then we have to add es to make a plural word. Again I repeat, then if there is last word a vowel, then we have to add es to make plural form of the word. Here O is there in potato and tomato, then you can see es is added. And the other word T in carrots, T is there, in turnip P is there, in onion N is there. Then these are the consonants, so only S is added. Now question number 10. One word in each of the following set is different than the others. Choose the odd one out. Let's go. We have to choose the odd one. Turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, brinjal, carrot. Find out. Yes, there must be sunflower because all other names are of vegetables and sunflower is a flower. We will go to second number. Cow, horse, fox, kangaroo, melon. What is the odd one? Yes, melon is the odd one because all other names are of animals. Third number. Banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. Yeah, our answer will be snake because snake is animal and all other names are of trees. Fourth number. Rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Yes, exactly. Your answer is correct. Cauliflower is a vegetable and all other names are of flowers. Fifth one is peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. Our answer will be lizard and woodpecker because these both are different one. Woodpecker and lizard cannot fly to very far. Question number 11. We have to say aloud this word. Pull, full, full. P-U-T, put. C-O-O-L, cool. R-O-O-T, root. S-H-O-T, shoot. C-U-T, cut. B-U-T, but. Dear kids, here our chapter is over. Read it well and prepare new words of it and make your list of new words very properly. Have a nice day. Thank you.